And they're getting ready for the rest of the Saigari. And concrete's on its way. So like I said, they're going to be doing it in sections. Chai nè, pour nè. She's gonna pour tinny. This is a 3 mil gauge steel mesh for pathways and driveways. Someone asked about rebar and all that. You only do that on highways. And making sure they don't get any cement on the Catman. Cover the air con. So today all this will be done, this part, and hopefully tomorrow we'll get this part done. Once the front's done, then I can get the sand wash done on the steps. Give it a eye. That up, Charlie.
Màu em. Miếng kia mà nó nhiều hả?
So it's all go on this house. So Fi's been doing the Catman. There's still putting some the trim that goes around the window and the door. And now he's just working out for the kitchen counter going in. The bathroom to render. This morning it's got up to about 26 now. It's late afternoon, so just the way we like it, nice and cool, and crack on. So just drop that roof down a bit more. It looked a bit strange, too high. That looks about right. The client wanted it higher before because it's got like a PTZ camera going on, but it just wasn't right. So Glory and Ep, they're just sorting that out now. Leg's just finished off doing all the catman now, that's all that done. That looks much better. Yeah, for some reason before it just looked way too high. Yes. So I've got this bit all done. I've finished putting there's like a polish area that we've got to pull around, but we've got the edging put in yet. So we'll put a band in for the road. Over here. This is a bit done now. So we've got to scratch coat this part here. So it's just putting the expansion joint in.
Yep.
So that's pretty much all the side part concreted. All the side alley, this tree here, is all in on both sides. They're just finishing off the bottom there. On the bottom to do. And we can start running the irrigation pipe. And these are the drain offs. We have a few dotted all over on this side and on that side. Yeah, because the next day or so then they're going to start putting the pathways around here. So Pi and Lek, they're just doing finishing the catman off, but leaving about a metre along there. And then we've got the trim around the window to do. All the sealant to put in. Guys, it's just on doing the last bit of render now in the bathroom on the inside, and then I've just got the kitchen one wall outside to do. Sorry, glories fitting the door frame. So basically double unit here, single unit here, cooker area, sink area, small wash machine area in there. So we've just got this one to render. I'm just rendering the bathroom now. So just readjusting the door frames. And we're going to start getting the ceilings in. Installation, sea line, installation and ceilings. About a week, that's it. Done and dusted. Because they'll have this done tomorrow. All this concrete work done here around the house, and this part done, and they can finish off doing the landscape. Surprising how fast they move. I mean, especially when you've got plenty of people on site. So that's it for this week, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you want to see more. Okay, and don't forget to leave a comment. Any questions, comment below. Bye for now.